If you have 4 GB RAM PC and on this PC if you want to install Windows 11, on your unsupported PC you want to install Windows 11, then Tiny 11 can be best option for you. Actually Tiny 11 is also Windows 11 that has been modified and renamed to Tiny 11. Many apps like Microsoft Edge browser, Microsoft Defender, Cortana that has been completely removed from this version, and also some background services that used to use system resources has also been removed. To install Tiny 11 you don't need to have TPM 2.0 and secure boot. Before going to installation, make sure to make a backup of your system. In case of any error or any issue, you can go back to your previous version. After making the bootable USB pen drive, don't forget to put a browser setup because there is no browser in Tiny 11. After making the bootable pen drive, you have to access the boot menu of your PC. To access boot menu, we can refer this photo, otherwise you can also search on Google. To boot into USB, you have to select USB from boot menu. Here press any key to boot. Here you have to choose language and time currency format, then click next, accept the terms and conditions, and then click next. Here you have to choose wherever you want to install Tiny 11. If you want to install Tiny 11 on a single boot, you can choose your whole hard drive, otherwise you can choose the specific drive where you want to install Tiny 11. Here the installation has been started. Please wait till it's being completed. After the installation completed, it will ask for a boot. Here again you have to choose your country, then you have to choose your language. Here you have to put your system name, then next. Here you have to choose a password, then next. Here you have to fill some security question and answers for security purpose. Here you have to disable all the settings and then click on accept. Congratulations, you have successfully installed Tiny 11 on your computer. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you. If you find this helpful, please like the video and don't forget to share the video with your friends. We will meet again on another day on another topic. Till then, take care. Tata. Bye bye.